dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. It's D'Andrea Renee, and today I am here to do another wig review for you guys. Now, this is a part 2 of a wig review that I am doing for a company known as divatress.com. If you guys have not checked out the other wig that I have already reviewed, make sure you check that out. It is a very nice wig. I think you guys will like it, so make sure you check that out. But today I am here to review a totally different wig from that one. Now, this one is a little bit more bold, a little bit more colorful. I'm so excited to review this wig. It's a wig, and it is known as the Unicorn Body Wave wig. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, make sure you turn on that bell for your notifications so you will know when I upload. And if you guys are interested in any of my makeup tutorials, I do have several makeup tutorials. I will leave the link down below and up above somewhere. So make sure you guys check that out. Support your girl. Let me know what you guys think. Yes, girls, this is a multicolored wig. It has very bright colors, very bold, very daring. So this wig does come in a ear-to-ear center part, so it is parted for you. It is not a free parted type of lace. Here is the packaging. It is a multicolored packaging as well, kind of like the wig itself. You can use heat on this wig. I wouldn't recommend it because it is definitely a synthetic wig, but it does say that you can use it just in case you would like to. So here's what the wig looks like. There are 3 different types. They do have a unicorn straight, a unicorn body wave, which is the one that I got, and a unicorn Sundance. So the Sundance is more like a wave. The unicorn body wave is, of course, a body wave, which are bigger waves. The Sundance are a smaller type of wave, and then of course the straight hair is just straight. I am so excited to try this, you guys. So if you are interested, make sure you keep on watching. I will have all of the company's information down below if you guys are interested, so stay tuned. Okay, ladies, so here is the wig straight out of the pack. Very bright, very bold colors, like very bold. I did do some bold color myself, and I dyed that personally myself, and I absolutely loved it. So I'm excited to try this wig out. So it does come pre-parted. It does come with pre-made baby hairs as well. They look a little long, so I'm going to have to fix those, I'm sure. But that's nice to know that they already pulled out the hairs for me. Very pretty curls, very pretty waves. So this wig does come with combs. You get 3 combs. You get 2 in the front, 1 in the back, and drawstrings in the back as well. I'm gonna go ahead and try this baby on for you, and I'll be back to show you. Okay, y'all, I know y'all looking at me like, what the heck? I know I look cray right now because look at this eyebrow. This thing is like elevated, and this one's over here flatlining. This lace is pretty long. Let me fix that. Okay, that look a little better. This lace is pretty long, so to pull this wig all the way down to my hairline, the lace kind of hangs in front, but I don't want it to mess up my brows. Y'all, I did a good job today. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace off and apply this wig. I will install this and I will come back to show you guys. So keep on watching.
Never had a girl quite like me, me. 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 Never had a girl quite like me, me.
Pull up in the Rari, my beside me. It's a 2-seater, yo, can't rap, I'm sorry. Pull up in the Rari, my beside me. It's a 2-seater, yo, can't rap.
you guys, so I have installed this wig, so I'm here to tell you all about this unit. So this is the Unicorn Body Wave by It's a Wig, and it is multicolor, as you guys can see. Really beautiful colors, really vibrant, really bright. But for me, I would definitely say that it does look like a synthetic wig. To me, it doesn't really imitate Brazilian or human hair. It's really one of those type of wigs that is for something fun, something like a bridal shower or a fun concert, or something that you're going to that just demands some attention. Then I would definitely get this wig. Beautiful colors. I did like the fact that they did give you pre-made baby hairs, and I didn't cut them or anything. I just gelled them down and swooped them up, and bam, thank you. So one thing about this lace is extremely dark. I don't know why they make it that color, but yeah, the lace is really dark, so I did have to apply my foundation to my lace to help camouflage that, which was easily fixed. But yeah, just note that the lace is extremely dark, so you will have to add foundation. So as far as the hair goes, the hair is really soft. It's nice. It feels good. It doesn't have a rough feel or anything to it. I am getting a little bit of shedding. I haven't gotten any tangling though, so I was happy to see that. But I am getting a few strands. As I comb my hands through my hair, I get maybe 1 to 2 strands. So it's not excessive shedding, but it is shedding a few strands. Overall, I'm really loving these colors. That is so pretty. Like, they're very like watercolors, very bright watercolor type of colors. Very pretty. Bouncy curls. Now, I still feel like all wigs have that one side that wants to act right. So I feel like this side is just doing so much better than this side. I don't know why this curl right here won't do what this curl's doing. But yeah, it's definitely a wave pattern to this wig. So body wave is definitely the texture. I think that the wig definitely looks better when you comb out the curls and have them less separated. Now for me, I don't consider that I have a big head. I think I have a fairly normal sized head, and for me, with this unit, it was a little difficult to fit my head when I was trying to tack down my lace front. When I pulled this side came up. When I pulled this side came up. So I kind of feel like it's a little snug. I feel like it should be a little bit bigger, but of course I don't have tightly, you know, braided down braids underneath my wig. My hair is kind of plaited, so in the wig's defense, that may have something to do with it, but I don't think this would be big head friendly. I think you would need to have a normal sized head and maybe neatly braided braids underneath to fit really well. You can get away with it without, but I don't think that you can wear your edges out, because as you can see, you can kind of see my hair. I have to pull that down because it just was giving me too much trouble trying to glue it down, and I don't plan on wearing this wig to bed, so I didn't really want it to secure to my head anyway, so that worked out fine. But yeah, if you're trying to wear this wig with your actual edges out, then you will definitely have to tack it down a lot better than what I did, which is definitely possible, but keep in mind, big head friendly, maybe not. And of course, divatress.com has so many wigs, you guys. If you are interested in any type of wig, I guarantee they will most likely have it. And a lot of times they do have a lot of sales. So I have purchased wigs from this company as well as received wigs from this company, and my experiences have been great every single time. So I would definitely recommend divatress.com for any of your hair needs. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I will leave all of the information down below, as well as a link to this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.